Richmond, Virginia.
There is a gray Pontiac blocking traffic somewhere over here. Your car will be towed soon if you don't move it. A gray Pontiac. TECH 53.
I went and got a candle, so I let my little light shine. This is for us, that we let a little light shine. You know, it might be against the laws and then you'd go to jail. Okie doke.
at Berkeley Plantation outside of Richmond, Virginia. A little history here. This is looking out at the James River. This is a gazebo that's part of the original property that was built in 1726. A nice one. So resident squirrel here. The boxwood gardens here. It's kind of a maze of boxwoods. I'm looking from the hill perch kind of thing down into the gardens here. It's a beautiful place. This is back behind the gazebo where we were before. This is one of the old houses from the original plantation. This is a huge magnolia tree. The main house, I guess, not from the distance there. A lot of it's making. So we're down into the boxwood gardens now, down the lake where I was down before. And these patterns with the boxwood. A few roses in here. I'm surprised they don't have more of them and more colorful kind of stuff. And here's the big butcher's mower here. A lot of racket. What a sexy man. Yeah, a little bench so you can come out here and sit. We're on the roll again. And we found the roses. Man, ooh la la. There's a butterfly on that rose. It'd be interesting to see how that does. And that's all the way in on the camera. That's not a rose, that's a marigold. I forgot how much butterflies like marigolds. There's a different one. Looks like a little monarch or something, a different kind. This one, a marigold. Like that. Good job, butterfly. Good job. Pretty specimen there. A beautiful color. If that color comes out, ooh, that's pretty. A film we saw, they said that they farm 500 acres of the 1,000 acres that's on the plantation here. It looks to me like all they farm is grass.
Probably out and about.
What do you think? Soybean or something?
Huh?
What do you think? Soybean or did they say what they farm? These people might not have had Beverly exercise, but I'll tell you what, they did some powerful walking around these big old places.
Really?
This is a good ship, Margaret. This is a replica of a good ship, Margaret, commissioned in British England in 1618. On the 4th of December, 1619, 38 settlers landed here and gave thanks for the safe journey. 40 tons, 35 feet long, and 38 passengers. That's a mighty little boat for 38 passengers. I'm so disappointed because here is the replica. Now I thought this was going to be a real boat kind of thing, you know, but it's not. It's made out of cardboard. But anyway, to give you an idea about how big it is, or how little it was with all those people on it. It's pretty small. Here we are at the James River. And there's this man sitting on a bench, E-I-E-I-O. And on the bench he did sit, E-I-E-I-O.
It's a pretty day.
Look here, sweetheart. I love you. He's a very tolerant and patient man. What? Does that mean you're being impatient but you're hiding it very well? Well, I just think this is so neat. I mean, this is the place where they did the first official Thanksgiving in 1619. On this very, very spot we're standing. Well, not standing. Some of us are laying. Oh, praise the Lord. Oh my goodness. This very tree. Man. Oh, it's doing so well. Boy, wouldn't we have had a lot of fun on that thing when we were kids. Look at that. We can sit up in that thing and just play and do all kind of stuff and weave all kind of tales.